Did you know that creating a Google Ads account in 2025 can set your business on the path to success with just a few clicks? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to do that. Plus, answering 3 game-changing questions that you need to know when setting up your Google Ads account. How do you create a Google Ads account in 2025? I'm going to walk you through every step from signing in to configuring your account settings. Are there any new requirements for setting up in 2025? We'll explore the latest changes such as verified payment methods and enhanced conversion settings. What setup steps are essential for future Google Ads success? I'll also show you how to avoid common mistakes and set up your account for optimal performance. What's up everybody? Carlos Ubaldo here from Husai Digital. I've been helping businesses through online advertising for over a decade now, and today I'm sharing my expertise to ensure your Google Ads journey starts on the right foot. First, search for Google Ads on Google. Alternatively, you can also go here. I will include the link in the description of this video. The top result will bring you to the starting page. Note that you're greeted here with an offer. This will differ by country. In many countries, and in the USA, they also show you additional offers if you scroll down. These offers say that if you spend a certain amount within your first 60 days of creating this account, you'll get credit for further advertising. Go ahead and read each one and select the one you want. Then click Start Now or Claim Now to begin. If you haven't already signed in with your Gmail or Gmail associated account, you'll be prompted to do it here. After loading up, you're greeted with a list of the steps Google would try to force you to do during the setup. We're only concerned with creating the account and not a Performance Max campaign, which may not be the right setup for your business. Let's click Create Your First Campaign just to clear this box. Now we enter our business name. This is your business trade name, otherwise known as your doing business as name. You don't need to enter your business legal name here. Next, add our business web address here and click Next. Now, we're in the stage of the process where Google wants us to immediately create a campaign type. I don't recommend doing this because it does not offer a choice for your campaign type. It's trying to get us to set up a Performance Max campaign, which is not what we want. So let's hit skip. Now it's offering us a search or video campaign, which again, we don't want. Skip and we'll confirm by clicking Leave Campaign Creation. On this page, we're going to confirm our billing country, time zone, and the currency we will pay Google in. These settings cannot be changed once you're done here, so be sure. Let's click Continue. And finally, Google now requires that a verified payment method be added to your account for its setup. This is a relatively new requirement, and it's not one that will allow you to skip, so I'll just add a credit card. In the US, it will charge your credit card $50, which it will refund within a week. Okay, at the bottom here, Google is asking us if we want personalized guidance from one of their experts. Now, I have my opinions regarding these experts, but I'll keep this to a short recommendation of selecting No and then Submit. Okay, our account is created. Once again, Google is trying to push the next steps on us here. If we want to click Next, it will provide instructions for installing a Google tag on your site. This can be helpful, but we're not going to do that right now. So let's just click this X and click. I'll do this later. And one final page to go. Let's agree to turn on enhanced conversions. This basically gives Google legal permission to collect data on how visitors behave on your website. This is necessary if you want to get the best out of Google's optimization, which is critical for scaling. Agree and continue to your account, and once again, confirm that we'll set up your Google tag later. And finally, we arrive at our account. That's how we create a Google Ads account for our business. The next step is to set up conversion tracking so you can actually see what sales or leads are being generated in your Google Ads account. I have a full tutorial showing exactly how to do this. I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below this video or somewhere above this video. Also, if you're ready to scale, my team and I, we scale businesses to help them get to the next level. We do Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and conversion rate optimization. I'll leave a link down below. Book a time with my team and I. We'd love to talk with you about how we can help you scale your business. Hey, if you find this video helpful, then you'll definitely want to check out the next one I have for you. It's packed with even more tips and insights that will take your Google Ads campaign to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.